Welcome to GlowFitGuide, your source for health and wellness inspiration. In today's hectic world, stress has become a common companion for many of us. But fear not, because we have a powerful tool to combat stress and promote relaxation: yoga. A series of calming yoga poses: gentle warm-up, child's pose, cat-cow pose, downward facing dog, forward fold. Join us as we explore a soothing yoga sequence designed to melt away tension, calm the mind, and restore balance to your body. Let's begin. Yoga has been practiced for centuries as a holistic approach to health and well-being, and one of its most potent benefits is stress reduction. Through mindful movement, breathwork, and relaxation techniques, yoga can help release physical tension, quiet the mind, and promote a sense of inner peace. Step 1. Gentle warm-up. We'll start our practice with a gentle warm-up to awaken the body and connect with the breath. Begin in a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Gently roll your head, shoulders, and spine to release tension and increase circulation. Next, we'll move into a series of calming yoga poses designed to stretch and release tension in the body. Follow along as we flow through each pose with mindful awareness and breath control. Step 2. Child's pose. Begin in a kneeling position, sitting back on your heels. Slowly lower your forehead to the mat. Allow your breath to deepen as you surrender into the pose, feeling a gentle stretch along the spine and hips. Step 3. Cat-cow pose. Come to a tabletop position with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back and lift your gaze towards the ceiling, coming into cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine and tuck your chin to your chest, coming into cat pose. Flow smoothly between these two poses, syncing your movement with your breath. Step 4. Downward facing dog. From tabletop position, tuck your toes and lift your hips towards the sky, coming into downward facing dog. Press firmly into your palms and heels as you lengthen through your spine and legs. Take a few deep breaths here, allowing any tension to melt away with each exhale. Step 5. Forward fold. Step your feet towards your hands and fold forward at the hips, allowing your torso to drape over your thighs. Bend your knees as much as needed to keep your spine long and release any tension in the neck and shoulders. Relax into the pose, letting gravity do the work as you surrender to the present moment. As we conclude our yoga practice, take a moment to notice how you feel calm, centered, and at peace. Carry this sense of tranquility with you throughout your day, returning to your breath whenever you need a moment of refuge from the stresses of life. Thank you for joining us on this journey to inner peace. Until next time.